What actually drives Indonesia's economy? Well, first, it's household consumption. It's over half of GDP. Growth is still positive, but it's slowing and spending patterns are shifting. Household consumption remains the largest driver, but on its own, it won't be enough to drive long-term growth. So where else is the economy growing and where does it struggle? Here's manufacturing, which is 18% of GDP. It's the engine of Indonesia's industrial growth, but it peaked in 1995 and is now struggling with Vietnam and Thailand. The 80s and 90s saw a boom fueled by foreign investment, but today it struggles to compete in high-tech manufacturing. Next is wholesale and retail trade at 13%. Middle-class growth and e-commerce fuel it, but logistics? Historically inconsistent with significant fluctuations over the decades. Supply chains need major upgrades, and this is key. Next is agriculture, forestry, and fishing, which are around 12%. They're a key export driver, think palm oil, rubber, and seafood. These sectors have slowed since 1975 when it was 30% of GDP. Fisheries are growing, but rural productivity still lags. Next, mining, which is 10% of GDP. Indonesia is a leading exporter of nickel, coal, and bauxite with significant copper exports. But mining products are exported raw, holding back value creation, and that's a missed opportunity. In the 2000s, coal and minerals boomed. Now the government is promoting downstream processing. Nickel refining is growing, but other minerals still face policy and investment hurdles. Next is construction at 9.9%. Growth comes from both public infrastructure, things like dams, toll roads, and EKN, and private sector projects like real estate and industrial sites. But new financing constraints and complex regulations impact project timelines. Jokowi's infrastructure boom seems to have ended, and Prabowo will push public housing instead and shift priorities. Indonesia's economy is growing, but challenges are real. Finance isn't in the top 5, but it matters. Weak financial markets limit growth. It's expanding, but still lags behind regional competitors, holding back investment. So the big question is, can Indonesia move beyond commodities and build a high-value economy, one that isn't just reliant on household spending? Because if it wants to hit Prabowo's 8% growth target, it will need stronger investment, industry, and financial markets.
I'm very confident we can easily achieve 8%, and I am determined to go beyond.